Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and today we are going to solve combination problem. So in combination problem, we are given two parameters n and k. So n will be like how many total number will be there. For suppose like n equal to 4 is there, then we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 numbers. And for k equal to 2, k equal to 2 means we need to find out combination of two number. So from this, like you can imagine from this 1 2 3 4 array of 4 numbers, for n equal to 4 and then k equal to 2, we'll be having like 1 2 3 and 4. So come four numbers, we'll be having this four number. Out of this four number we need to find uh, two's combination. Like we can have like 1 and 2, we can have 2 and 2 1, we can have 3 1. So but okay, one second, I think we cannot have 1 2 and 2 1, like those are the combination, or uh, just there is a change in the order, but it's like in the answer it is taking like 1 2 and 2 1. Here just the order is changed but the combination is same, so 1 2 and 2 1. So we cannot take like two things with the same number. So so here we need to either take 1 2 or 2 1, so like that. So there will be, so let's jump straight to the solution first, like how we can achieve it. So this solution is also will be also solved from peak don't peak, because peak don't peak gives us all the possible combinations. So let's first write the solution for it. So as usual I write the helper function for passing the parameter n and k, and one more thing, what do we need to pass? Index. So I will start from index 0, and to store the combination we will have the result res, and to have our combinations we will have a array like vector with current, and we will pass the current. So next we need to pass the result and the current. And here I will not return anything, so it's a void function. I will have my vector as a reference and the current also as a reference. Here it will be int and int index. Then what we need to do is we need to have all the combinations like helper. First I will write the peak case. So in the peak case we will have n will be passed as the n, k will be k minus 1 because we have picked one number, and index will be index plus 1. We are going to the next index, then result will pass as it is and current will pass as it is. And in the current we need to add the index number. Okay, let me start from 1. I need to start from 1 because we are starting from, for n equal to 4 we are doing 1 2 3 4. Then current dot push back, I will just push my index, and after that I need to backtrack it with the pop back. So this will be the peak case. So after peaking it, when this function execution is done, we are just popping back whatever we have added to the current, and at the end we will be writing for our don't peak case. So on the don't peak case we have our n. So as we are not picking anything, we are not decreasing the number of element that I have calculated, and I think it's done. So current, all the possible combinations we are getting from this. And the next part is like if the index become greater than n, we just need to return without anything. And if our k becomes 0, that means we have not k becomes 0, I think k, we should not change the value of k here. We will check current dot size here. Current dot size equal to k. That means we have k elements in the current, then we can add our elements in the result. Dot push back current, then we can return. Why one question might arise in your mind, that why I haven't done any -1 for the k. So like these things will only generate the combinations, and like it might happen, or k equal to -1 we can take, let me think 1 minute. If I will do k -1, index plus 1, index plus 1, all the cases. Okay, if I am picking it, I am taking k -1. If I am not picking it, okay, k -1 I am taking. If I am picking it, yeah, we can do k -1 and k equal to 0 also. So let me show you. Okay, I have to return this result also from here. Let me show this, that this code is working or not. It's not working. What's the issue? 1 2 1 3 2 3 we got all the possible combination, but till 4 it didn't want. Why? Have I done something wrong? Like index is greater than n, and I am not changing anything here. I am going to the next index from 1 till n, and whenever index become greater than n, I am returning it. Correct. So wherever 4 is there, it is not calculated for any 4. One will be there, then after that 2 will be there, 3 will be there, and then 4. And 4 is not greater than n, so it will not get returned from here. 5 will get returned. But 5 4 is not picked here. Give me a moment, let me think. 1 2 1 3 2 3, only the fourth case is not added. So index plus 1 I am doing for the index plus 1 every time. One is added, one, then don't pick case will come. Then when we go to the index plus 1, it should get added. result, then current, then helper I have sent everything in n and k properly from y, from index. Then result I have sent and the current, and every time I am getting the size of k in the current, I am just adding it to the result, and all the possible cases I am generating from here. Current I am generating n k index plus 1 result and current. If index is greater than n, we are returning. Whenever index is 4, index is 4 and n equal to 4, so 4 is not greater than 4, so it should not return at this point. What is actually happening? It must be calculating it like 1 4 2 4 and 3 4. It must be calculating it. Is it going to index 4? Index, let me try run it. idx, okay. It's going to index 4, yeah. But why not it is adding here? 1 and 4 can be like 1 and 2 is there, 1 and 3 is there. 1 and 4 can be also a possible case. One is there, 2 is there, then 1 and 3 is there. 2 and 3 is there, then all the recursive function for 2 will be done, and from 1 and 4 will come here. One and 4. Slash with this index, whenever our current size becomes okay, let me print the current also. To C current, C out C. For 4, what for 4 index 4 has came here, but we have 2 and 3. Index 4 has came with 3. Why are we not adding index? Okay, whenever index 4 will come here, so index 4 will be added here. Okay, I got it now. What's the issue? See what it is happening is whenever index 4 is coming, index 4 is getting added here. 4 is added here. After that, when it is called for index plus 1, like the fifth index is going. So whenever fifth index is going, at that time only we have 1 and 4, or the fourth thing is added. But what it should happen is like in the starting only, like whenever for the first index it should be 1, for second index it should be 2, but what it is happening is we are adding it after the index plus 1 has happened. So whenever we will do index plus 1, then it will work, but this is not a efficient, this will not be a efficient solution. Like index plus 1 is greater than this. I'm sorry. So for index 5 will come, so this will be index greater than n plus 1, so that fifth will also be considered, and our answer will be correct only if we add it to the answer. Our answer will be correct, there will be no issue in the answer, but this is not the proper solution. So what we can do here for a proper solution, so we go with 0, or for the proper solution what we can do, just we will interchange the place here. Now it will work. As because whenever we are getting the size 2, at that time we are pushing it, then we are checking like if our index is valid or not. So whenever we go to the index 5 also, in index 5, like first we are pushing our index 4, so index 4 is pushed, then it called the new function with index 5. So what was happening earlier was this condition was executed first and it was being returned early. So what I have done now is just I have added this solutions, this condition, so that whenever the size becomes equals to k, it will be added to the result, and after that only it will be checked that if index is valid or not. If index is not valid, it will get returned. So this is the solution for the combination problem. Hope you all have understood this, and thanks for watching.